believe the guys are making tremendous progress. Months ahead of time. The installations are about 2/3 over, finished. And the walls, as you can see, they're polishing it out, sending it down. And it's really looking like a brand new building, a different type of building. Lord willing, next we're going to look for the seating, and then the paint job.
The idea is if you put a regular forced air heating system in here, it's gonna, when you turn the furnace on, all the heat's gonna go to the top and then eventually get down to where your thermostat is and where the people you're trying to keep warm. It's gonna cost a lot of energy to do it that way. Or if you put a radiant floor system in, you can heat only the areas you need, have the heat come right up underneath you, heat the seats, heat the people. They drilled holes between the furring strips here and took long plastic tubes, ran them up to the ceiling, turned the machine on. The insulation will blow down at the bottom and slowly fill up to the top. Once it gets up to the top, the insulation machine keeps on forcing it in there until it just won't take anymore. As soon as it's packed at the top, we'll pull the hose back. As soon as it hits a soft spot, we'll start blowing again until that packs. Pull it out a little bit more, back around here, and then go up through each one of these cavities. The sidewalls are kind of tough because we only have a thin cavity, but the insulation isn't going in there very well, which I was kind of worried about last summer. Sometimes with these smaller cavities, it's hard to get the insulation to flow.
Cool.
Got lots and lots and lots in there.
So how far are we, percentage-wise?
Probably over half.
Started out with 800 some odd bags. Most of the pile is gone, which means it's up in the attic and packed into all of the walls there.
We're getting it done. We just put it a high air and blow it in. You know, we're tubing using the PVC tubes up and down. And here we're just packing it tight.
I see that the Lighthouse, the performing arts, will always be part of RCCM International, but because of the work involved in the outreach potential, will someday be something beyond the church itself. That's what I see. I see movies being produced there, thousands and thousands of tapes, videotapes, and all kinds of CDs produced. Singing, people want to be singing and producing there, a studio production. That's what I see there, I tell you. And not want to stop just with performing arts, you know.